Last time we were talking about wild animals. Let's remind their names. A giraffe. Say after me. A giraffe. Okay. An elephant. An elephant. A zebra. A zebra. A hippo. A hippo. A lion. A lion. A lizard. A lizard. A flamingo. A flamingo. A parrot. A parrot. Can you guess what's the last animal? Who's missing here? We have a giraffe, an elephant, a zebra, a hippo, a parrot, a flamingo, a lizard, a lion, and who's missing? Do you remember? Yes, it's a monkey. Say, monkey. Great. Drogie dzieci, ostatnio odwiedziliście moją domową dżunglę. Dzisiaj chciałabym Wam pokazać zwierzątka, które możecie spotkać na farmie. Więc, moi drodzy, a horse. Powtarzajcie za mną. A horse. Mamy pierwsze zwierzątko na naszej farmie. A pig. A pig. A cow. A cow. A dog. A dog. A cat. A cat. A duck. A duck. A rabbit. A rabbit. Now we have farm animals on a farm. Zapraszam Was teraz do zabawy. What's missing?
Okay, now we're going to play the What's Missing game. Here we have a monkey and a dog. Close your eyes. Open. What's missing? Yes, that's right. A monkey. Now we have a lion and a cow. Close your eyes. Open. What's missing? Can you guess? Yes, that's right, a cow. An elephant and a pig. Close your eyes. Open. What's missing? It's an elephant. That's right. A parrot and a cat. Close your eyes. Open. What's missing? Yes, you're right. A cat. Now let's try harder. We have a zebra, a duck, and a hippo. Close your eyes. Open. What's missing? Yes, a duck. A horse, a rabbit, and a flamingo. Close your eyes. Open. What's missing? Yes, a flamingo. Thank you and bye-bye.